y'all, this is the first day of the Master Cleanse, and I couldn't be happier. Cheers. Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button since you're here. I am officially done with the Master Cleanse. I did the cleanse for 10 days. Like, I don't even know what else to say right now. I'm just happy. I'm so proud of myself. I can finally eat food again. Oh my god.
Feed me! Feed me!
But yeah, let me just get into it. For those of you who don't know what the Master Cleanse is, the Master Cleanse just totally just detoxifies your body, cleans your colon, gets rid of fat, all that good stuff. So in this video, I'm just gonna tell you guys my experience. I'm going to incorporate my daily vlogs. I'm gonna probably show you guys those in a second. It's not officially the end of day 2, but close enough. Only thing is that I'm noticing is just hard on this little thing or whatever is how much you go to the bathroom, 1. 2, temptation. Temptation is everywhere. Everywhere you look, everywhere you go. Like Instagram, you'll be just scrolling through your feed and you see food. You watching TV, food commercials, dessert commercials. Your place of work, you know, break rooms, food everywhere. It smells like food, food. Like, I think since like I'm not eating food, it's just there and in the back of my mind, like, what am I gonna eat? Oh, that smells good. It's just like you have the like smallest attention span when you're on this diet. This is my one recommendation. So far, it's still my 2nd day. But one thing I have noticed, like, if you get hungry, drink your lemonade mixture, drink your water. You can have some tea. I think on this diet, just drink. Hey everybody, I'm tired. It's like 10 o'clock and I'm tired. I'm about to go to bed right now as we speak. I am making my smooth move tea, letting it steep and marinate, all the good stuff for a bit, and I'm going to bed. I am tired today. Wasn't bad at all, because like I went to the mall after work, went to the food court with a friend, and all that's like smell good food all around me, and I wasn't tempted to eat, so that was good. I wasn't as hungry today as I have been the last 2 days. Not sure what that is. Weight wise, I think I lost 2 pounds instead of 1. I am feeling my clothes fit looser already, so that's pretty cool. I do think my energy level was lower today. Definitely, for sure. Hopefully tomorrow's better. Praying for better. And keeping my hopes into day 4. Day 4, where you at? It is now officially day 4. Going on to day 5. So I look a little crusty busty because I just came from the gym. This is my first time actually working out since being on my cleanse. Yeah, I'm all nice and sweaty. First day working out on this cleanse, and actually wasn't too bad. Actually, while doing cardio, I thought I was gonna pass out, not gonna lie. I think because I was probably just going so hard, and not really going so hard. Like, I'm an athlete, like I'm used to like working out and such, so I just do my normal workout. But I think because, you know, I'm not eating, not getting all them calories, the protein in, I was a little tired, it's a little fatigued. I get an hour lunch break at my job, and I went to my car and took a nap. I will sleep my whole hour lunch break because I was tired. Like, I feel like, yes, maybe it's the diet, because normally would I do that? Probably not. But hey, at least I got the nap in. It's now what? I think it's like 11 o'clock. Yeah, it's late. I made my tea. S for Shekinah. I'm about to go get my crusty self in the shower. And day 5. Where you at? Oh, before I, depart from you guys, I did lose another 2 pounds. So I am now at, 182. As of this morning, I was 182. So we shall see what tomorrow brings. So now, day 5, where you at? Day 5 is over with, and I couldn't be happier. I felt great. Today was a really good day. It's almost midnight. I'm recording pretty late, so I have my pajamas on, but my energy level felt fine. I didn't work out today. I did take a nap today for like 2 hours. I finished my lemonade. I drank a lot of water today. I drank my Smooth Move tea, or laxative, if that's not what you're drinking. But I don't know what else to say. Today was a good day. Feeling good, feeling great. Ready for day 6. Ready for day 10, honestly. Your girl misses food. But I'm not letting that be an issue because I want to get to day 10. I only lost 1 pound, but still not really complaining. But that's it for day 5, and I'll see you guys tomorrow, day 6. It is officially the end of day 6. Day 6, y'all. Tomorrow's day 7. I have 3 more days left. But good news, I've officially lost 10 pounds. Like, I hung out with a couple friends I haven't seen me in a while today. They're like, oh wow, like you lost weight. Like, what are you doing? And people see me carry on this jug of lemonade. Like, what is that? So I'm getting a whole bunch of questions. I did a lot today, like a lot. Like, I ran outside. I thought I was gonna pass out. Disregard my hair. I just washed and blow dried it and put in some A$AP Rocky braids because my hair is gonna be done tomorrow. So y'all can't say nothing when my hair is did. I didn't even drink all my lemonade mixture, and I usually do drink nearly like all of it, and I didn't really come close to that. So my body is definitely getting used to drinking the whole combo, whatever. But day 7, where you at? I'm ready to be done with this thing. So eat me some food. It is officially day 9. I made it to day 9. I don't know how. Actually, I didn't know how. It was the grace of God. Thank you, Lord, for allowing me to get this far, giving me the strength, giving me the willpower, all that to make it to day 9. I can do this. I can make it to day 10. Sorry I didn't keep you guys posted on day 7 and 8. All day 7, I was getting my hair done. You can't tell right now, but I have in these faux locks. So literally all day, I was getting my hair braided or locked up, whatever you want to call it. I got to my friend's house at 8 o'clock. I did not leave till like 10:30. I did not get home till like close to 11. I was tired. My body hurt from sitting in the chair all day. I finished my lemonade mixture and water around like 3 o'clock. I wasn't trying to cheat, of course, because I made it to day 7, so I was like, I'm not cheating. But I wanted to so bad because I was so hungry. I had nothing to drink or to eat. Well, I had water, but water's water. I wanted my lemonade because that's, what gives you energy. I was just so low on energy that day. It was crazy. And then it carried into the next day, day 8. I woke up and felt really lightheaded, and I had to like right back down. I didn't get up till around like maybe 1:30 the next day. I think I weighed in at 177 this morning, yesterday morning. I haven't weighed myself today. Like I said, it's really early in the morning. I'm not even home right now. I just celebrated with a friend. It was her birthday. So day 9, where you at? Day 10, where you at? I'm ready for you. I did lose close to 15 pounds, like 14, which is good enough because I wasn't even trying to lose that much weight. I really just wanted to lose a good 5 to 7 pounds. I was not expecting close to 15, but I'll take it. And like I said, I'm just proud of myself for doing it this long. I would lose anywhere from 1 to 2 pounds every day. I wasn't working out that much. I wasn't working out daily on this cleanse or diet because sometimes I did feel low energy and I did not want to go to the gym. So didn't want to get to the gym and then feel like I couldn't work out because I had low energy and leave. So I was just gonna wait till these 10 days were over so I could fully work out to my capacity. And temptation is everywhere. Like, I've been going out to eat with a lot of friends and family, all that kind of good stuff, and I would just sit there and watch them eat. Like, it takes a lot of willpower to say, no, I'm good. So my friends will joke around like, here, have a bite of this, like no one would know. But like, I really just wanted to hold myself accountable and just really hold true to this diet because I told people I was doing it, and I told, you know, my YouTubers or whoever's watching this that I was doing the 10-day cleanse and I wanted to stay true to it, and I would just feel bad if I would have ate just a sliver of this, even though it's really nothing. Like, that just would have steered my diet in the wrong direction. Like, what if one day I would have had a little piece of this and then that would escalate it to more food and more food. So I just didn't want to do that. I wanted to stay true to this diet, and that's what I did. It was hard sometimes. Like I said, I started this diet 10 days ago, so throughout this process, there was Memorial Day, there was National Wine Day. Like, I missed out on a lot, I feel like. But like, it's okay. Like, I feel good. Like, it took a lot of mental strength, but like, I did it and pushed through. I have a little side tip, a little side note. Like, if you're thinking about doing this diet, don't fart. I know that sounds really like gross, maybe TMI, but like, you don't want to do it. Just save yourself the time, mess, everything. Not saying I did, but you might shit yourself, okay? Like, just don't fart. I just wouldn't do it. Just, if you gotta fart, go to the bathroom. That's my tip. That's my tip of the trade. Just don't do it. Another thing is, I started my cycle during this 10-day journey. That might be a little TMI too, but I really don't care. I feel like I'm open to you guys, telling you my true experience, my true journey. Anyway, I usually have really bad cramps during this time of the month, but let me tell y'all, what cramps? It's obviously because of the cleanse, because like I said, any other time I'd have terrible cramps and my flow wasn't as heavy at all. So that was pretty cool. Another thing is, even though you're not hungry per se, you will always constantly think about food on this diet. You will always think about food. Like, I think it's because, of course, like, over the years, that's all you do. You're always preparing for the next meal, or you're always thinking about what you're gonna eat for the next meal. You're constantly thinking about food. Like, food is always in your head. You see it on billboards, commercials, advertisement, just all that kind of stuff. Food is everywhere. So like, when you're on a diet where you can't eat, you're actually not eating food, that's kind of all you think about too. When you think about food, what did I tell you? To drink. Oh, and since this is my first day off the cleanse, I am drinking freshly squeezed orange juice. I added some water so it wouldn't be too heavy. And then for lunch or lunch/dinner, I'll be having some watermelon just to keep it really soft. Like, I know my stomach is not used to having any hard food on it, so I don't want to just pound it with hard food. And then the next day I'll probably have the same orange juice, maybe some more watermelon, and then incorporate a salad for dinner. That's probably the next 2 days of what I'm going to be doing. So enough of me talking. I'm about to show you guys some more results of what my body looks like now. After doing this 10 days, I love my results. My body has changed a lot. Not really a lot, because I don't really have much to lose, but I can definitely tell I've lost some weight. Even my friends are like, your face looks smaller, you know, your stomach looks flatter, all this other kind of stuff. So I like my results. I didn't get to work out as much like I said, but I still can tell a difference just from the diet alone, which is really cool. My normal weight in college was like 185. I came home, I was 189 as you guys saw, so that was a little bit bigger. I was just gonna try to gradually lose that when I was home, but then my friend was like, why don't you get on this limited diet? So I did, and I'm now 175. So I lost close to 15 pounds. Like, I'm just loving the way my clothes are fitting now. Everything's either loose or fitting just right. So kudos to that. I just want to say thank you guys for watching. I stayed 100%, 110% true to this diet. I did not cheat. I put that on everything, did not cheat, nothing. Stayed true to this diet, and I'm very proud of myself, and it really showed how strong I am as a person and what all I can do personally and just what I can achieve. So thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, please ask below, and I'll see you guys in my next video.